Hello everyone, Justin here, and today we're going to draw something very simple. We're going to draw a patriotic themed ribbon. So let's start at the top with a curve. And we're going to continue this curve down to about here. So let's just continue this curve and keep it smooth. Okay, so next what we'll do is we'll do the same thing on the other side, except we're going to stop once we hit this line. So let's go ahead and do that. Curve, and there's that line. Alright, so let's draw the end of the ribbon down here. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and lengthen it just a little bit. There you go. And we're gonna square this off. And you can make this as wide as you want. Just gonna draw a straight line. So next thing we're gonna do is give this ribbon some width right here. So we're gonna draw a line from here, curving down this way. And I'm going to make it so that it's a little bit tapered. So I'm gonna start out thin up here and widen out to the tip. So let's go ahead and start drawing a line this way. And then start curving it in, tapering out to the end. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. Now let's go ahead and continue this line first. So we're going to try to bring this out right about here. So let's go ahead and kind of put our finger there so we know where to go. So we're going to continue this line, start it right there at the edge of that arm of the ribbon, and we're going to do the same thing here and square it off. Okay, so just like here, let's start drawing a line that starts going out this way first and then starts coming out and meet up with this. Starting here, go out, start curving out and straighten to meet the corner. So now we'll go ahead and do the back side here. And we're going to make the width of this thinner than here, because remember we've got this thing tapering over to here. So right here, okay, you can see how the widest point for this curve is right here and thins out. So now what we're going to do is we'll take a thinner Sharpie and start drawing some stripes. So let's go ahead and make it this width. So the last stripe will be red. So I've got red, white, red, red, white, red, white, red, white, red. Okay. And we'll do the same thing on this side. So now we'll go ahead and draw some stripes here for the upper section, which will have a blue background. So I'm just making these stars just a touch bit smaller as I go up. And I'm gonna draw them back here as well. So just to make this a little bit more interesting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a shadow, a cast shadow right here, and I'm just gonna draw a line that's parallel to this line. And go ahead and blacken that in like that. Additionally, I'm gonna go ahead and put kind of like a highlight line right there, and another one like a circle, and then I'm going to taper this circle here and just draw a squiggly line that goes up, and I'll do the same thing on this side. So just like a squiggly line, maybe interrupted, and then I'm going to start widening this, and then maybe draw a long oval here, and that gives it kind of like a shiny look. And that should be it. What we'll do is go ahead and color this in on Procreate, or you could use colored pencils, whatever you'd like. Thanks a lot. This was a very easy project. Definitely try penciling it in first if you're more comfortable with that route, and make sure you have it exactly the way you want it prior to taking your Sharpie and inking it in. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.